At our score right now, San Sebastian up 2-0 and also up 3 points here in set number 3. Shakey's face of the day, we have found her. There she is. Mavi Alemania, she is 22 years old from Makati City. At may pizza na siya. At kanina pa nakatitig si Maan, hindi sa ating face of the day, kung hindi sa kanya tatanggapin na pizza.
Kaliwat kanan na si Maan. Kawawa naman kayo
Then
talaga.
si Maan, bawal gutumin yan. Alam mo, she's such a nice girl. She becomes even nicer when she's eating.
Ay, sabay on that attack.
And Boli continues to become the unstoppable force. Wala pa siyang mga impending doom na hit eh.
Pero lakas pa rin eh.
Oo.
Jeng Boli now 15 points. Ford with 11. Gostillo with 9. Benito with 6. On the other side, it's Manzano with 10. Vivas with 7. Maizo with 5 and Latigay with 4.
And well, Maizo now makes it 6. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Malapit na ang month-long birthday celebration ni Maligayang Pasko.
Dahil di ba pagka-burn na, yung may Christmas
pag-burn.
songs na?
So kailangan natin siya kada, oh, the weather outside is... Ayan. Ayoko na muna nga pala kumanta. At habang nangyayari itong ating long rally, happy birthday muli kay Wilson Dotong Dikembe Latombo. And of course, eto na, the 50th birthday is upcoming for the truck, Greg Truckenya. Ayan.
50.
Oo. 50 beses daw natin siya babatiin eh. 18-14 San Sebastian, courtesy of Lauren Ford. Here is Boli. Third set, still working. Jump serve is still on. 19-14 San Sebastian. Time out, Philippine Air Force. Looks like we're having a hard time getting the audio here for the Air Force. Okay, so yung mangyayari po dito ngayon, itong kupunan ng Philippine Air Force, they are down by 5. Yes, the entry of Latigay in the start of third set energized them, pero naaral na yata na San Sebastian.
The San Sebastian, when they got their groove back in, way back in the first set, midway of the first set, yung arsenal nila talagang tuloy-tuloy na eh.
Yeah, as we take a look at that last serve once again, Jeng Boli, she is still automatic with that jump serve.
And that's really the story of this game. Hirap na hirap ang reception nitong
Right.
Air Force because of the great service. Ayan, ganda.
Binati natin.
Perfect. At yung mga serves nitong San Sebastian squad, ang dami talagang naka-ace at ang hihirap kunin. So, making life really difficult for the Philippine Air Force.
De Ramos with the serve. Runner from Ford. Wow, Semana.
Exactly
Was
the
there.
same spot kanina kay Vivas. But exactly the same result. Too much power behind that hit, that running hit by Ford.
Panoorin natin yung paa ni Ruby kung nasaan. Grabe.
Pwede dito.
Hindi pa naman, pero that's really close to a fault. Here's Benito off the block. Latigay is there. Semana on the back set for Aiza. Aiza drops it. Crisostomo reads it. Ford. And now it's by Semana.
Much to our delight.
And Latigay getting it across, but it will go wide.
That's right. So far, San Sebastian partner 11 bonus on the line.
Wow.
Service points. Air Force has 6. Decent number, diba? Yung 6, madami na
12
ngayon eh.
12 na.
Gawin mo pa, dinagdagan pa nitong si Ruby.
Another timeout for the Philippine Air Force. Boy, this game is slipping away from them right now. But of course, hindi natin mapapakinggan yung kanilang huddle as we now have a 22-15 count right here. This is a good start for San Sebastian. Should they hold on for a victory here? This is a good start considering the fact na wala nga si Mary Jane Pepito sa larong ito. In fact, they're the only team that has 3 liberos and Maynilad actually. Pero yung 3 liberos sila, isa pilay, isa may sakit, isa lang umandar, and May Crisostomo also did a pretty good job.
Yes, exactly. He held her own here in this game, especially in this game. Talaga naman maganda rin ang pinakita nitong si Crisostomo as we see this ace once
Double
again.
figures na ba si Ruby De Leon in scoring? I would like to know. Mukhang double figures na yata siya eh. 6 points already, total points ito si Ruby. That's a lot for a setter.
Isa pa. Another ace. Sabi ni Ruby, gusto mo pa, ha?
13 aces already.
And this is really the story of this game. Yung doon pa lang sa service, hirap na itong Air Force.
Oo.
Hindi na nila ma-run yung play nila Kasi because of for first ball, kung hindi,
Oh.
another one.
Double touch coming from Isa Maison. Bad reception, and here we go. 9 match points for San Sebastian. And Ruby. Here is Manzano getting it across. Crisostomo. De Leon. Oh, sends it.
And Borges nearly pushed that ball. Tama yung pagkakaset and yet gets the point and closes this game.
Straight set victory here for San Sebastian against the Philippine Air Force. Final score in set number 3 is 25-15. Let's take a look at our shaky shake in play. Well, it is a reception that wasn't even a good one. And sabi ni Lauren Ford sa bola, as Ruby De Leon sets it up, appear. Ayan po mga kaibigan ang ating final score. Straight sets victory para sa San Sebastian over the Philippine Air Force. Shaking player now with Mahan Panganiban. At ito, kakabahan na ang ating shaky best player of the game with Mahan. Let's go, Mahan.
Ako yung kinakabahan.
Mahan.
Our Shakey's best player of the game. Congratulations. That's my question number 1. Okay, nag-isip ko siya kaagad. Okay, Jeng, you were very active on defense. What were you thinking? What kept you going? In short, defense. Why good?
Because we practice every day. We have to learn what they do. I have to support them. Baste. I have to defend. Okay lang mo.
Sige, dinaan na ako sa tawa. Ang second, we are gonna be playing Navy. They beat you the last time. What are you gonna do now to win over them?
Last time we win, we not good teamwork because we together short time and we come late. But now we okay lang. Now we practice hard. Then we learn about Navy. Okay.
Okay. So basically, na-scout nila yung Navy and what they're gonna do is to provide teamwork na lang. I-show nila ang teamwork nila. Kamusta naman yung translator, guys?
Very good.
Congratulations once again. You have a ball from Shakey's. This one's new. And you have an opportunity to greet your friends and your fans.
I need fun to watching we league po. we need our fan watching po. Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. There you have it, guys. The turkey, Jeng Boli.
Thank you very much. Mahan Panganiban. It's always a pleasure to have Jeng Boli as our player of the game. And that'll do it for us. On behalf of Mahan Panganiban and my partner, Monse Rivera, ito po si Noel Zara. Tayo paalam.
And again, nailing that quick hit.
One more time!
Lifting on the second try.
Returns the favor. Oh my goodness!
With a killer.
That is an excellent play.
Full stretch is needed.
Wow! That is perfect.